तुरंत सोचते नहीं हो 2 सेकंड में, हाँ भाई आईफोन चाहिए, आईपैड चाहिए, तुरंत खरीदोगे, ये करियर है। लव की बात करोगे, फॉल इन लव, बोलते हैं ना आई हैव फॉलन इन लव, एक्सक्यूज मी आई लव यू, मेरे को अब उसके साथ प्यार है। तो तुम प्यार किसको बोल रहे हो? वहां पे प्यार क्या है? करियर इंपॉर्टेंट है। शादी करने के लिए लाखों लड़कियां हैं, एक बैगर से शादी करने के लिए कौन है? इसका आंसर दो ना। एक बैगर से शादी करोगे तुम? करोगे? हाँ तो बोलो बोलो लव इंपॉर्टेंट है। बैगर से तुम्हें प्यार होगा? होगा प्यार? दैट इज ओ माय गॉड, ये बात कर रही है स्टैंडर्ड की। इसने बात कर दी गोल्ड डिगर वाली बात, गोल्ड डिगर वाली बात, गोल्ड डिगर बात कर दी भाई इतना।
क्योंकि आज मेरा फर्स्ट डे है और मैं जिस उद्देश्य आया हूँ वो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है तुमके बीच में। लेकिन मुझे तो ये लग रहा था कि मैं यार यहाँ सुपर रहूंगा लेकिन आपको देख करके तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मैं यहाँ जीरो हूँ भाई।
Good evening to all. This is me Gunjan and today's debate topic love versus career and I am favor with career.
So, good evening to one and all. This is me, Bhumi, in front of you all. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Surya sir for having me this golden opportunity to speak in front of you all. And I'm feeling so honored and privileged by standing before you. And today is a debate session class, and I'm in a favor of career because career is everything.
My name is Vansh and I am favor of career.
Splendid, good evening to one and all. This is me. My name is Nikhil. In front of you, first of all, I would like to say thanks to Suraj sir and Sanjeev sir for having this golden opportunity, as well as also I would like to say thanks to all our paper viewers, audience present over here today.
Everyone, this is me, Dikshi, front of you all. First of all, I would like to say thanks my secretary and Suraj sir, Sanjeev sir for giving me these golden opportunities, as well as those I would like to say thanks all the viewers, all the spectators who all are present over here. Today we are debate topic and name is career versus love, and I am supporting career.
Splendid, good evening to one and all. This is me, Monica, and today we are having very marvelous, fantabulous, grandiose, and a very supercalifragilistic topic, and the topic is love versus career. But first of all, I would like to say thanks to the founder of New Generation Institute, Vision History, Secretary Sir, Mr. Suraj sir and Mr. Sanjeev sir for having this golden opportunity, as well as I would like to say thanks to all the viewers, all the spectators, and my esteemed hosts of this session.
One and all, first I would like to say thanks to my Sanjeev sir and Suraj sir for having me this golden opportunity. I would like to say thanks to all the viewers, spectators, panelists, grandi likewise, companions who all are over here present. So my name is Savan Sai. Today's topic love versus career. I am favor of love.
So supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, warm and refreshing good evening to everybody. So this is Dharamveer Baghel in front of you. So today we are having debate on the topic of career versus love. So we are gonna debate on this. Thank you.
So have a seat.
Thank you.
So today we are having very interesting session, and the topic of today's class is career versus love, right?
Yes.
So nowadays, as we know that career plays an immense role in everyone's life. People want to make their career. Everybody wants to make success. Everybody wants to get success because they know that having gotten success, they can get everything. Because having gotten success, they can get everything. They can get satiated, propitiated, pacified, a peace in their life. They can feel like a kid in a candy store. They can get everything having made their career, right? And now on the other hand, so many people are there, they prefer love. Love matters most. If you know that if you have gotten love, are you getting or not? If you have gotten love, so you can be happy, you can be happy camper, you can be satiated because of love. So nowadays, so many people think about love is most important. Because of love, they are ready to sacrifice their life. They're ready to sacrifice their dreams. They are ready to sacrifice their dreams. And nowadays, I don't know exactly what is love, what is career. So we are going to get to know about it in a better way. What is career or what is love, and what matters most? Career matter most, or love matters most in today's generation. So what is your opinion? You can put it. And today we are going to have debate kind of critical thinking class. So some people would be here, they would be supporting love matters most, and some of them would be there who would be supporting career matters most or love matters most. So let's see your opinion, and then we will get to know the reality, right? So are you all excited?
Yes, sir.
Are you all excited?
Yes, sir.
Are you all happy to do debate on this topic?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's see what matters most. Love matters most. Some of them must be saying like love matters most. Yeah, I want to do love marriage, right? People want to get married and they want to do love marriage, right? And some of them they want to make their career. So let's understand what matters most. So you first of all would be giving your introduction and then you would be going ahead, right? Right.
Splendid. Good evening to one and all. This is me, Lakshya, and today we are having a very marvelous, fantabulous, grandiose, grandiloquent, and a very supercalifragilisticexpialidocious debate session. And on the topic career versus love, and I am in the favor of career.
बच्चे सभी को गुड इवनिंग। क्योंकि आज मेरा फर्स्ट डे है और मैं जिस उद्देश्य आया हूँ वो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है तुमके बीच में। लेकिन मुझे तो ये लग रहा था कि मैं यार यहाँ सुपर रहूंगा लेकिन आपको देख करके तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मैं यहाँ जीरो हूँ भाई। कोई बात नहीं, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है। लेकिन
सर गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में टीचर हैं।
लेकिन इस तरीके से यदि मैं फ्लुएंटली इंग्लिश बोलना सीख जाऊंगा तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरी सफलता पूरी हो जाए। धन्यवाद।
So guys, now are you all excited? Today we are going to have debate critical thinking session.
Yes, sir.
So now guys we are going to start. Nowadays आजकल आपने सुना होगा कि लव क्या है। लव इज some people say that if we are listening to the song, so that is love. People fall in love. Whenever they fall in love, they start listening to music, right? लव के बहुत सारे सॉन्ग्स हैं, आपने सुने होंगे। वही सैड हो जाते हैं, इमोशनल हो जाते हैं, आजकल प्यार हो गया। Is love song? Is love emotion? Love comes, love sometimes we feel what? Love, right? We start listening to music. गाने कैसे कैसे सुनने start करते हैं?
अरे सर सैयारा।
वो 90s के सॉन्ग कौन सा था वो?
क्या?
सोचेंगे तुम्हें प्यार करें कि नहीं। Nowadays what is happening? Is this love? Like people start listening to these kinds of music, and what can people get just because of listening these kinds of music, and just because of what is love exactly? We are going to get to know. And what is career? So first of all, let me know who wants to start first.
We can start.
Yeah, go ahead. Put your point.
Okay. So hello everyone. This is Lakshya. Now I want to put my points on career. So according to me, career gives a future stability for you, because in future you can you get a stability of financial things. Like sometimes if you I don't say that love doesn't help us in anything, but according to me, love gives, but career helps the most, because in future by only love you can't eat. By only love you can't buy your own house. By only love you can't get cars, or by only love you can't get cars or something that can make you happy. And if you having a good career, so in society you get a self-respect. People respect you. People don't say that you love them or love him or her, so we will give you respect. No, by career people give you self-respect. That's my point.
I'm in the favor of love, and according to me, love comes first, because when you are grow, when you are born, still born, पेरेंट्स तुम्हें क्या सिखाते हैं? बेटा करियर बना लो, डिग्री ले लो, या फिर इन द स्टार्टिंग वो तुम्हें प्यार दे रहा है। ही इज गिविंग यू लव, ही इज गिविंग अटेंशन, केयर, एंड ही इज गाइडिंग यू, ही इज गिविंग यू अ रूट कि तुम्हें किस चीज पे चलना है, तुम्हें आदर्श क्या होंगे, तुम्हारे जो है रूल्स क्या होंगे, रेगुलेशंस क्या होंगे, संस्कार क्या होंगे। दिस इज अ लव। हाथ पकड़ के चलना या गाने सुनना प्यार नहीं होता है। एंड प्यार एंड लव सिर्फ स्ट्रेंजर से नहीं होता है। यू कैन लव योर पेरेंट, सिबलिंग, देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स, प्रोफेशंस होते हैं, लव्स बहुत सारी चीजें हैं। ओनली स्ट्रेंजर कैन नॉट बी योर लव। अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, लव कम फर्स्ट, देन करियर, बिकॉज लव है क्या? In this generation, people are thinking that if I'm having a person and he is caring, he is giving attention, in the starting के 3 महीने चलेगा वो, just only 3 months or 5 months or 6 months. In the end, तुम यही सुनोगे कि no, I don't love you, because this is an attachment, not a love. If you wanna see a real love, see the Lords. See your mother, father who is taking care, इतना ज़्यादा आगे लेकर make you, so many things are there, like humble, nature, kindness, caring, dominant as well. You are developing your personality just because of someone, and someone is your parents. According to me, you can love your parents, and first love will be your parents, according to me. Yeah.
So I think love can fail, but a career is never cheat on you. And when you are stable, when you are independent, when you are with your own feet, you can buy with all the things, all the new, you can buy everything, you can like, everyone values you, everyone respects you. And first of all, career gives you self respect, everyone gives you respect, everyone gives you value, everyone gives you what you are, what you have. So yeah, career is the most important thing in our life.
By the way, I think Bhumi is also right somewhere. You know, career. Because of making your career, you can get everything. You can get love. You can get everything. Whatever you want to make in your life. Whatever you want to get in your life. The grandiloquent buildings, right? Luxurious house you want to get, right? Luxurious bungalow you want to get. If you have all these things, then definitely you would get love automatically. Automatically you would get love. What is love and what is career? Having made your career, you are going to get everything in less than no time, in 2 6 of a lampshade. But if you are not going to focus on your career, everybody on this planet, they are gonna leave you. They will not try to be with you, and everybody wants to be with that person who is successful, who has made their career. Otherwise, you would not like to sit with that person who has not made his career. It is somewhere right. You should focus on career. Somewhere she is right. If you have made your career, then definitely people would like to be with you, right? Just imagine that if there is a cameraman or editor, if he is working here, if I'm not paying him, would he work here? Would he be with me? No. Would he work with me? No. He is not gonna work here. Why? Because he wants to make money. And what is career? It is career. So obviously career matters most. How love? In love also, there would be the expectation, like you are going with your partner, with your loved ones, and she is wanting that you would make her buy something. You would make her, you would make her go to the visit Manali. You would make her visit to London, America, San Francisco. She would be having some kinds of expectations from you, and you are not able to fulfill her expectations. Why? Because you don't have you haven't been able to make your career. That is why you are not going to be able to make her visit to Manali, London, America, San Francisco. Why? Because you haven't been able to make your career. If you had made career, then definitely what would have happened? You would have been able to make your wife buy whatever she wanted to buy, right? And what would have happened exactly just because of it? Like if I'm able to make my wife buy everything, just imagine if I'm able to make my wife buy whatever she wants to get. But like if she wants to buy a sari, I'm able to make her buy sari. If I want to make her visit to Manali, London, America, San Francisco, wherever I want to make her visit, I'm able to make her visit. Then she would be happy. Would she be happy or not? She would be quite happy, because my husband is so handsome as well, and he keeps on making me stroll to Manali. He keeps on making me stroll to Manali. He keeps on making me visit to Manali. He keeps on making me visit to London, San Francisco, and she would talk with her friend, and she would admire about me. Why would she admire about me? Because I love her. This is love, na? In love, there would be some kinds of expectation. Wouldn't there be some kinds of expectation? And what is love? What are you telling? Like if your father is loving you, it means that your father must be making you buy something. Your father must be making you get admission done in high reputed school, right? This is love, na? Love is being measured, because love can be measured according to the money. Love comes when you have been able to make your career. Otherwise, you can't talk about love. You don't know about love. To know about love, first of all, you should be able to make your career. If you haven't been able to make your career, you can't talk about love. Just where is love? Like you are begging money from one to another, and there would be no respect of yours. You are respecting, you are loving. Would that person give you money? No. That person would leave you, kick you. Hey man, just go out from here. What are you asking for money? Why are you asking from me for the money? There is no love. If you say that love is most important, go to the beggars and love them. Would you love them? No. And also, if you talk about career, if your mother also would want to make you get married with that person who is rich. Listen, are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
So you guys, you all are misconception or dilemma. You are in misunderstanding if you have chosen love. So you all are in misconception. You know how? Love will come automatically when you have made your career. If you haven't been able to make your career, then definitely your partner will leave you. Then the divorce will happen. Divorce case comes when do divorce cases come? When you are not having money, when you haven't been able to make your career. If definitely listen. If you had made your career, then definitely these things would not happen. These kinds of things would not happen. Why nowadays these kinds of things are happening? Because you haven't been able to make your career. Are you able to see it? So if you make your career, things will come automatically. Everybody would want to get connected. Hey cameraman, either focus here, I am speaking.
Focus here.
Yeah. So just listen. Listen, not get distracted. So if you have made your career, then definitely people would love to get connected with you. Otherwise, everybody after one and then another day they would leave you. You are not getting me salary. Excuse me, I cannot stay with you because you are not getting me salary. Excuse me, I don't love you. Yeah, I love you. You know when do I love you? When you are giving me money time to time.
But
When you are making listen ना gold digger, we will talk. Listen पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सुनते ही नहीं हो तुम लोग ना, पूरा बीच में ब्रेक कर अपना पॉइंट बोल रहा है ना तो बाद में बोला कर, सुन लो पहले एक बार, ठीक है? हाँ. You are talking about love. What is love? If you are not able to make your wife buy whatever she wants to buy, she wants to go for the shopping, you are not able to make her do the shopping. So is this love?
Yeah.
Love?
Yeah.
You are not able to make her do the shopping? Okay. And another thing, if your parents are not able to send you to the school, if your parents are not able to send you to coaching classes, they are not able to pay your fees, is this love? Are they loving you? Are you getting or not? If they don't have, are you getting or not? So I mean to say, first of all, if you have made your career, then definitely you would admire your father as well, and there would be love, and you would start loving that person. And I have observed, बहुत deeply से मैंने observe किया है, पता क्या? मेरे मान लो किसी के भी रिलेटिव में, खानदान में, मान लो आपके नाना हो, नानी हो, उनके पास पैसा ना है, समझना, ध्यान से सुनना. और कोई पैसे क्या है, एक पर्सन ना, मान लो मेरे मौसी का लड़का है, वो ट्रांसफर पैसे कर देता है नाना को, मैं नहीं कर पाता, मान लो मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, ठीक है, मेरे पास क्या नहीं है, पैसा नहीं है. मेरे नाना क्या बोलेंगे, मेरा वो दूसरा चाचा का लड़का या ताऊ का लड़का होगा ना, वो पैसे लगा देता, तो क्या कहेंगे, वो मेरे से बहुत प्यार करता है. प्यार करता है वो मेरे से, क्यों? पैसा ट्रांसफर कर देता है. समझो इस चीज को, प्यार करता है. और यहाँ पे मैं नहीं कर पाता हूँ, मेरी फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम है, इशूज है भाई, मैं पैसे नहीं ट्रांसफर कर पाता हूँ, तो मेरे साथ क्या बोला जाएगा, वो प्यार नहीं करता. तो प्यार भी कहाँ है? करियर है तभी तो प्यार है ना, तभी तो लोग जुड़ रहे हैं ना एक दूसरे से, अदरवाइज कोई जुड़ेगा नहीं. अब मान लो एक एग्जांपल और ले लेते हैं, सुन लो भाई. तो अगर मान लो आपके घर वाले, मान लो लड़की है, लड़की के घर वाले शादी कराना चाहते हैं, है ना, लड़की प्यार करती है किसी से, उसका करियर नहीं है. अच्छा, क्या नहीं है? करियर नहीं है. He has not been able to make his career. वो अपना करियर नहीं बना पाए, तो क्या लड़की के घर वाले उससे शादी कराएंगे?
लड़की घर वाले नहीं करेंगे.
तो हाँ, तो अगर हम बात करें लव की, और अगर हम बात करें करियर की, अगर करियर बना लिया है लड़के ने, तो इसमें तो माँ बाप पता है भाग करके शादी कराएंगे, ऐसा लड़का हाथ से ना निकल जाए. वहां पे क्या है, गवर्नमेंट जॉब हो या कुछ हो, या पैसा अच्छा कमा रहा है, बिजनेसमैन है, इफ ही इज अ बिजनेसमैन, भाग के तुम्हारे माँ बाप शादी कराएंगे, भाग करके. क्यों? वहां पर प्यार है, वही प्यार है. फिर याद रखना, पैसे से प्यार है. कोई बंदा अगर तुम्हारे पास पैसा नहीं रहेगा, कोई प्यार नहीं करेगा तुमसे, कोई रिस्पेक्ट तक नहीं करेगा तुम्हें. रिस्पेक्ट ना, वैल्यू ना, कोई ट्रस्ट, नो लव, नो वैल्यू. सुन लो, इस दुनिया का कोई रंग नहीं. अगर पास है पैसा तो सब कुछ है मेरे दोस्त. अगर पास है पैसा तो सब कुछ है मेरे दोस्त, वरना कोई संग नहीं. तो ये बात हमेशा मेरी याद रखना, इस दुनिया का कोई रंग नहीं. अगर पास है पैसा तो सब कुछ है मेरे दोस्त, प्यार भी तुम्हारे पास है. You have love, you have everything, you have trust, you have values, you have everything. Your words would be valued, your words would be listened, would be heard from the other side. If you say you have to do this, you don't have to do this, then person will listen. Are you getting?
Listening, sir.
So yeah,
That we are listening to all of you. You're talking about career. That career is the most important thing in this world. So here are some points of mine which is related to love. So why love is important? Love is that kind of a thing which gives you emotional intelligence, means the dependence related to a particular person whom you're having in your life. why do you need a person in your life? There is a huge
Rich, he must be rich, he must be rich, he must be affluent, opulent person. That's why he's able to make after one and then another and then another and then another.
That's a very cheap thing, I think.
so
It's a cheap thing.
Go ahead, go ahead.
nahi.
Go ahead.
No, you can.
Should I say?
Yeah, you can say.
So as I'm saying that, so here what you're promoting, I'm asking to you that why what you're promoting, that we have to earn money just to get a good career. So for what benefits? Means we need benefits like that we have to that we can use girls like a toy. So here you're mentioning like this, that we have to make career first, so then we can play somebody with somebody's body, with somebody's emotions, with somebody's everything, and you're ruining somebody's life. And here you're putting that point that you will get these kinds of benefits. So but brother, I really don't need anything like that
Okay,
in my life. Love, why I'm prioritizing love over here, because love is not that kind of a thing which demanding anything from you. Love is that kind of if real love I'm gonna describe, it is the thing that purely you just determinant to somebody, that even that person is not into you, but still everything you're giving to her or him, whosoever it would be. So these kinds of thing means त्यागने की भावना को you can call it as love.
Nowadays, what is happening exactly? I've seen so many people, they have done love marriage. After that, they start having feelings for the rest of other girls. Why? What is love exactly? Have you been able to understand ever what is love? Right now you are having feelings for this there is one girl, you are having feelings for this girl, and then after later you are having feelings for another girl, and then another girls, and then another girls. You are not able to understand that girl. I had made her understand, but she did not listen me. But I had said to her not to go to Agra, but she did not listen to me. I had said to her not to do this, not to do that, but she did not listen to me. Is this love? Is this the love? Are you getting or not? If a person is not listening to you, is this love?
Then don't make boundaries.
So it happens in love. People make foundations. People do make foundations or not? If some situation gets created, so what happens, that foundations get created. So people make foundations, and if a person is not listening, there is not. What is the love? What are you talking about? If you're talking about love, what is love? Have you ever been able to understand what is love? You're talking about love. Yeah, love is important, love is important, love is important. But the people who are poor as well, also they are fighting for the divorces. Why are they fighting? You have taken one example. She had fought for the divorce cases, but is it not happening in the, like, if you talk about poor people, it is happening there as well, na? They are saying like, my husband is not able to make me buy this, I want to buy this. My husband is not able to make me visit to Manali. It happens or not? So there also divorce cases are happening. Divorce cases are happening there as well, na? Mumi, are you getting or not? It happens or not? If you have gotten married with a person who is not even giving you love, not even making you stroll or wherever you want to go, whatever you want to do, he is not letting you do. So would you stay with that person? No. I have seen these kinds of people. They are talking about love, and after that, after 2 days, they are saying, sir, I hadn't under. मैं एग्जांपल देखो, अब मैं रियलिटी की अगर बात करूं, आज तुम्हारा लव है, कल बोल रहे हो सर आपने मेरे को समझाया था। मैंने बहुत बच्चों को समझाता रहता हूँ, भाई इन चक्करों में मत पड़ो। फिर कल कहते हैं सर आपने सही समझाया था। अरे यार, कहाँ बच्चे हो तुम लोग? बच्चे, आजकल के बच्चे आज बोल रहे हैं लव इंपॉर्टेंट है, बाद में बोलते हैं सर लव, हाँ आपने मेरे को समझाया था लव इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, अब समझ में आया सर मेरे को ना करियर पे फोकस करना है, करियर पे फोकस करना है। अभी बोल रहे हैं लव, हाँ सर मुझे फीलिंग्स है उसके लिए, फिर बाद में बोलते हैं सर मेरे को दूसरी के लिए फीलिंग है। अब समझ में आया सर, आपने मेरे को समझाया, अब समझ में आ गई है सर। मेरे दोस्तों ने भी समझाया सर, मेरे को नहीं समझ में आई, उस समय मेरे को समझ में नहीं आई, मैं नाम नहीं ले रहा किसी का। ऐसे एग्जाम्पल है बहुत लोगों के। समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा? आप आ रहा है नहीं आ पा रहा है? आज तुम कह रहे हो आज मेरे से उससे प्यार है, फिर कहते हो कल उससे है। मेरे दोस्त ऐसे मैंने देखे, भाई कहता है कि फैमिली में सबके निकल जाएंगे, अब बोलते हैं मेरे को इससे प्यार था, अब उससे ब्रेकअप हो गया, उसके साथ प्यार है अब मेरे को, अब उसके साथ प्यार है। तो तुम प्यार किसको बोल रहे हो? वहां पे प्यार क्या है? प्यार तो है ही नहीं। पे तो करियर बनाओ ना, करियर कम से कम तुम्हारा साथ रहेगा हमेशा जिंदगी भर। करियर विल स्टे टिल द लास्ट ब्रेथ ऑफ योर लाइफ। but your love will keep on changing. Right now you are loving, there is one girl whom you are loving right now, but after one day or after 1 year you will start loving another, and she will cheat you, she would hoodwink you, she would horizontal you. After cheating you, you would have destroyed your career, and then what would happen? You would think of making your career. The time would have gone just because of that partner. That partner must have cheated you or must have horizontal you, hoodwinked you, and just because of having been cheated, having been horizontal, then you would start conjecturing, oh my god, I haven't been able to make my career, I wish I could have been able to make my career, I wish I would have done that, I would have done that. Then you would regret. Don't say I wish I could have done that, I wish I would not have entered into the relationship with that girl. You would get exasperated over petty things, about these things, about over love. Are you getting or not? Love is not real nowadays. If you have made your career, everybody would love to love you. But if you haven't been able to make your career, everybody would want to, everybody would want to get separated from you. Understand this. Understand this. Are you getting or not? Everybody would get separated from you. Neither you are getting money, neither you are able to do the things what you want to do, nor you are able to live the kind of life which you are wanting to live, just because of love. So what is the exigency of falling in love? Falling in love. You are falling in love. What does that mean? Fall in love मतलब क्या? Fall in love. Fall मतलब गिरना. In love मतलब प्यार में. प्यार में इंसान गिर ही जाता है. गिर जाओ तुम. गिर जाओ सब. गिर गए? अभी बैठे हो ना? गिरना है क्या? प्यार में इंसान गिरता है, याद रखना. करियर अगर बनाओगे ना, करियर में उठता है. सुना है ना? करियर में ये ग्राफ कैसा होता है? यू ग्राफ होता है. करियर में ग्राफ कैसे होता है? करियर में ग्राफ ये होता है. करियर बनाना चाहते हो आप, यूं करके आपका ये करियर है, राइट? ये क्या है? करियर है. आप ऊपर जा रहे हो. आप कहां तक सक्सेस गेट करने वाले हो, ये करियर है. करियर में क्या? आपको कुछ खरीदना है, आप तुरंत सोचते नहीं हो, 2 सेकंड में हाँ भाई आईफोन चाहिए, आईपैड चाहिए, तुरंत खरीदोगे. ये करियर है. लव की बात करोगे, फॉल इन लव. बोलते हैं ना, आई हैव फॉलन इन लव. Hey, excuse me, I love you. And you love, and you गिर जाते हो. Please, I love you.
Don't leave me.
You fall in love. I love you. Please don't do this to me. I don't do this to me. I cannot live with you. I cannot live without you.
Don't leave me.
Just listen, na. Huh? I love you. What is this? This is love. And listen. You love someone or somebody, and that girl cheats on you. After one day and then another day, she starts saying, I'm not having feelings for you. I was having attachment. Now I have understood. अब समझ में आया मेरे को attachment थी तुमसे. ना attachment थी तुमसे. प्यार नहीं था. बहाने. स्टार्टिंग में मुझे लगा था तुमसे मेरे को प्यार है. स्टार्टिंग में क्या लगा था मेरे को? I am having feelings for you. और लेटर वो क्या कहती है? अरे मेरे को अट्रैक्शन था. बच्चा वो कंफ्यूज रहता है, यार अट्रैक्शन क्या होता है, मेरे को अट्रैक्शन के बारे में जानना है. अरे नहीं अटैचमेंट थी मुझे तुमसे, प्यार नहीं था, ये लव नहीं है. फिर उसके बाद बन जाते हैं टॉपिक. लव क्या है? अट्रैक्शन क्या है? अटैचमेंट क्या है? अरे आज तक यही नहीं पता चला. लव क्या है? करियर में साफ क्लैरिटी दिख रही है. यू आर एबल टू विजिबल द क्लैरिटी व्हाट इज करियर. बट इफ यू टॉक अबाउट लव, भाई यहाँ पे ना दुविधा ही है. अब यहाँ पे एक आएगा, देखो लव की बात कर रहे हो. अरे व्हाट इज लव? व्हाट इज लव? एक क्वेश्चन आ गया. देखो व्हाट इज लव. फिर आ जाता है व्हाट इज अटैचमेंट. व्हाट इज अट्रैक्शन. आर यू गेटिंग और नॉट? फिर अगर कोई चीट कर दे, अरे सर आप नहीं, कोई चीट कर दे, वो तुम्हारा अट्रैक्शन था. क्या था? अट्रैक्शन. ये कहां से आ गया? ये क्या होता है? इसके बारे में जानो. अट्रैक्शन प्यार है क्या? नहीं. अटैचमेंट नहीं. और क्या होता है? अट्रैक्शन, अटैचमेंट और समझ में आ रहा है? समझ में आ रहा है? तो ये क्या है यार? ये प्यार है. और देखो करियर में साफ पता है क्या करियर है. करियर क्या है? हाँ भाई, करियर सिंपल है. आपका ग्राफ ऊपर जा रहा है. आप जो चाहते हो खरीदना वो खरीद पा रहे हो. ये करियर है. सिंपल है ना? कॉम्प्लिकेटेड तो नहीं है. समझ में आ रहा नहीं आ रहा? तो सिंपल सा बच्चों, करियर के पीछे भागो.
जी सर, भागूंगी. भागो.
ठीक है, करियर इंपॉर्टेंट है, लव इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. करियर है ना यहाँ पर, तो सब लड़कियां पीछे आएंगी गिरते हुए. गर्ल्स विल कम. सर एम आई राइट और नॉट? है ना? तो इफ यू हैव मेड योर करियर, गर्ल्स विल गिरते आपके पीछे आएंगी. समझ में आ रहा है? इस चीज को समझो थोड़ा बच्चों. हाँ, कुछ कहना चाहते हो तुम?
पहली बात तो सर आपके लिए मैं तो ताली बजाना चाहूंगी, आपने क्या एक्टिंग की है, सो गुड सर. But now you are living in a today's generation. You are saying कि मैं उससे foundations लगा रहा हूँ. I'm making a foundation. I will create foundation. Unfortunately चलो create हो भी रही है. You are making a foundations. सच बताना, आपके पेरेंट्स आपको बचपन में जब रोकते थे कि उन लोगों के साथ मत रहो. सर ऐसे एग्जांपल तो हिंदी में मजा आता है ना. when like in your childhood when your parents were stopping you, don't go there, don't be with them, they are not good for you, they are not good for your career, they are not good for your nature, they are not good for your life, but still आप वहाँ जा रहे हो, still you are going there ना. you are thinking no they are my friends, एक कॉल पे बुलाऊंगी ना आ जाएंगे, they are my friends, भाई ऐसे है वैसे है. you are thinking आप फ्रेंडशिप निभा रहे हो, you are not listening to your parents. आप वहाँ पे ओके थे, and then here is your girlfriend, here is your partner who is not listening you, and you are thinking I think he or she is not loving me because I am making a foundations for her and she is not listening. At the same time in your childhood you was also not listening. You are not also listening of them na. You are thinking no I am right. At that time she is also thinking she is right. If you are saying na sir कि आपका ग्राफ ऐसे जा रहा है, आपका ग्राफ ऐसे भी जाएगा. सलमान खान you know ना, शादी नहीं किया आज तक, he is having a career but still he is not having a love.
It's his choice.
It's not a choice. ऐश्वर्या, कैटरीना, there are so many girls.
तुम्हें बुरा लग जाएगा, अभी शादी करने के लिए बोल देना तो तुम जैसी लड़कियां ना तुरंत जाएंगी.
I don't think so sir. I don't think so sir.
भाई उसके लिए कितनी लाइन लगी होगी पता है शादी करने के लिए. वो नहीं कर रहा, चॉइस है उसकी, करियर है उसका, वो जब चाहे जब शादी कर सकता है.
सर प्यार ना लव उसके लिए क्या था, चलो हमें इतना क्लियर नहीं पता होगा बट ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ रूमर्स जो निकले हैं.
एक एग्जांपल मैं तुम्हें दूंगा, सुनना ध्यान से.
क्लियर
सलमान खान, सुन लो अब ध्यान से एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ मैं तुम्हें. नहीं अगर तुम बात कर रहे हो ना, अगर सलमान खान की, सलमान खान कल शादी करना चाहे कर सकता है, या आज करना चाहे कर सकता है या नहीं कर सकता है. भिखारी है बात, शादी करना चाहे कर सकता है. भिखारी क्यों नहीं करेगा?
अरे पर सलमान खान शादी क्यों करेगा?
तुम कॉमन सेंस थोड़ा यूज करो, सब कुछ है, कॉमन सेंस थोड़ा यूज करो. शादी करियर बना लिया ना उसने, उससे कौन शादी नहीं करेगा भाई. करियर इंपॉर्टेंट है. शादी करने के लिए लाखों लड़कियां हैं, एक बैगर से शादी करने के लिए कौन है? इसका आंसर दो ना. एक बैगर से शादी करोगे तुम? करोगे? हाँ तो बोलो लव इंपॉर्टेंट है. बैगर से तुम्हें प्यार होगा प्यार? हाँ
That's not the standard.
That is, oh my God. ये बात कर रही है स्टैंडर्ड की, इसने बात कर दी गोल्ड डिगर वाली बात, गोल्ड डिगर बात कर दी भाई. इतना
Okay. Okay.
नहीं.
Okay, now listen to me. Be patient. Have some decorum for debating. So there were some points you all were conflicting on this.
It's hurting.
So it was not. First of all, let me clarify you that whatever I've said, that the statements was totally another thing. What I've passed and what I've put over here, there was the thing. I think you didn't get me properly. So I'm just gonna elaborate it again. So whatever I said it, I never said that career is not important in my whole statement. Just check it again. Whatever I've said, I've just described love simply. But when you all were talking about that love is the thing which is totally waste of time, why the career, why the money, you'll get each and everything in your whole life. But what do you think? The mental stability of a person, it matters the most. If you do not have any single person in your life and you are in a situation, you're troubling in your situation, emotions and with the feelings which you can not describe to anybody, what do you think? With each and everybody, I can ask you for a help that I'm feeling that low in my daily life and currently I'm feeling low. So could you help me for that? Do you think I really gonna do that? With whom I'm gonna do this? There will be some person in my life for till the last breath of mine, I will succeed, I will stay with that person, because I know that person will not gonna harm me, that person will only stay for me. That is the power of love. I am not denying, or I am not living in this that kind of a denial that career is not important. Career is also important, but all together there is love which needs to be there in somebody's life, because human life, we are human creatures, not a robots. We do have emotions, we do have feelings. For just to express feelings, we need somebody in life. So just there is a huge dichotomy between this and what on which you are conflicting on, totally fighting for that. So that was the thing which I need to clarify for all of you. I am agreeing that yeah, you need to have a career, a good career in life, but it is not about that with the help of career you're getting partner, you're getting love. If somebody is coming to you because of your career, because of your money, so be patient, and I'm trying to be frank, honest towards you, that person is not gonna really love you. So that is the thing.
सो मैनी साइरीज, हमने भी किसी से प्यार किया था, कम नहीं बेशुमार किया था। मैं कहता था उसको पागल, लेकिन पागल वो नहीं। मैं कहता था उसको पागल, लेकिन पागल वो नहीं, पागल तो मैं था, क्योंकि उसने मुझसे नहीं, मैंने उससे प्यार किया था। These kinds of things, these kinds of saires people are remembering after getting hoodwinked, after getting cheated. So if you talk about love, what is love? And you are talking about people. We need people. Definitely we need people. You need people. Everybody needs people. It is the needs of people. It is a need, and everybody wants to get connected from one to another. But if you talk about love, and why don't people want to get connected with beggars? They are not having money. They also want people. They also want love. Are you speechless? Now understand. Why do people get connected with those who has a lot of money? Who has a lot of money? People want to get connected with those, they will get something. They know, yeah, it is a bad time of him, but later she will help me or he will help me because he is rich. Right now I have seen his capabilities or her capabilities. She can be quite rich. Right now she may not be, or he may not be. But if you talk about people also get connected, अगर भाई मान लो मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, कोई मुझसे जुड़ेगा यार? सही बताना, जुड़ेगा कोई मेरे से? कोई नहीं जुड़ेगा।
क्यों सर, आपके माँ बाप के साथ में?
अच्छा, बेगर्स के साथ जुड़ेगे तुम? टाइम स्पेंड क्यों? उसके पास पैसा नहीं है यार, पैसा नहीं। एग्जांपल है ये क्यों उनसे क्यों नहीं लोग जुड़ते हैं? क्यों उनके पास नहीं जाते हैं? क्यों उनसे बात नहीं करते हैं लोग? अगर कुछ देते हैं तो फोटो क्यों खिंचाते हैं? ये लो मैं तुम्हें ये दे रहा हूँ, क्यों फोटो खिंचाते हैं? क्यों दिखावा करते हो यार तुम लोग? सुन लो, अगर प्यार की बात कर रहे हो तुम, प्यार अगर होना है तो प्यार दिखाओ ना यार, सच्चा प्यार दिखाओ। ट्रू लव कहाँ गया तुम्हारा? बेगर्स को कुछ दे रहे हो तो फोटो खींचनी है, वीडियो बनानी है, ये देखो मैंने ये काम किया है। नहीं, ये ऑब्जर्वेशन है, ये हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है, या मैं बोलने के लिए बोल रहा हूँ। अगर तुम बात कर रहे हो लव की, तो वहां लव कहाँ चला जाता है तुम्हारा? बेगर से प्यार क्यों नहीं होता है तुम्हें यार? तुम्हें अपने स्टैंडर्ड की बात कर रहे हो, तुम्हें अपने स्टैंडर्ड की, तो ऐसे ही हो रहा है सब जगह। और तुम्हें स्टैंडर्ड का मिल जाता है तो तुम खुश हो उसके साथ, अदरवाइज तुम खुश नहीं हो, स्टैंडर्ड का नहीं मिलता तो। जैसे कि तुम बोल रहे हो, समझ रहे हो? स्टैंडर्ड का पर्सन मिल जाता है तो तुम खुश हो, अदरवाइज तुम कहोगे ये मेरे स्टैंडर्ड का नहीं है, ये मेरे स्टैंडर्ड का नहीं है, मैं छोड़ देती हूँ उसे।
Sir, but
प्यार क्या है?
what I'm saying.
तुम ये बताओ, मेरा एग्जांपल छोड़ो, अगर किसी बेगर्स का लो तो भाई नहीं जुड़ेगा कोई किसी से। आ रहा समझ में नहीं आ रहा? तो भाई कोई भी अगर किसी से जुड़ता है, किसी के पास कुछ है तभी जुड़ता है, अदरवाइज कोई जुड़ता नहीं है।
रोटी के लिए सब्जी चाहिए होती है ना?
हाँ,
रोटी के लिए सब्जी चाहिए।
हाँ,
डायमंड से खा लोगे आप? वही सेम चीज है। मैं बेगर के पास क्यों जाऊं?
देखो,
या आप क्यों जाओगे?
नहीं जाएंगे क्योंकि तुमने बात कर दी ना, क्यों? उसके पास पैसा नहीं है, करियर नहीं है उसके पास, इसलिए नहीं जाते हैं। People don't go to those who don't have money. If they had money, then definitely people would have gone to them. People would have gone to them and people would have spent quality of time. But they are not spending quality of time with them. Why? Can't they get happiness? They will talk politely and humbly. वो प्यार से बात करेंगे, बेटा मेरे साथ रहे, बेटा मुझसे बात कर ले, बेटा। ये बेगर्स करेंगे ऐसे, लेकिन वो इतना प्यार दिखा रहा है, तुम्हें प्यार नहीं दिख रहा उसका। Are you not able to see the love of that person who is beggar? No.
बात मत करो प्यार की, मुझे नफरत हो जाती है उन लोगों से जो प्यार की बात करते हैं। बात करियर की है, करियर रहेगा तुम आ जाओगे हर किसी के बाद। सर बात सही कह रहा हूँ, कुछ ओपिनियन अपना रखना चाहोगे आप?
चलो सब मैं
हाँ 2 मिनट।
मैं बोलना चाहूँगी।
2 मिनट।
अच्छा बच्चे देखो, मैं इंग्लिश में नहीं बोलूंगा, हिंदी में पहली बात। देखिए हमारे सामने आज जो 2 विषय थे, कैरियर एंड लव्स।
अरे अरे सुन लो भाई।
सुन लो बेटे सुन लो। यदि हम बात करें तो अकॉर्डिंग टू एज, यदि हम एज के अनुसार चलें तो प्यार की परिभाषा आपको अलग समझ में आएगी, इनको अलग समझ में आएगी, और को अलग समझ में आएगी। जिस तरीके से एक भक्त अपने भगवान से क्या करता है, प्रेम करता है। वर दंत के पंगत कुंद कली, अधराधर पल्लव खोलन की, चपला चमके धन बीज छुए, सभी मोतिन माल का बोलन की, न्यौछावर प्राण करे तुलसी बन जाऊं लला इन बोलन की। भगवान तुलसीदास जी का जब वर्णन करते हैं तो वो उनसे क्या करते हैं, प्रेम करते हैं। क्या करते हैं उनसे? प्रेम करते हैं कि भगवान की छवि कैसी है, मनमोहक छवि। एक माता अपने बच्चे से वात्सल्य प्रेम करती है। वात्सल्य सब सुना है को? वात्सल्य प्रेम, जब माता अपने बच्चे से वात्सल्य प्रेम करती है तो वो कितनी प्रसन्न होती है, बहुत ज्यादा प्रसन्न होती है। यदि इसको थोड़ा सा और आगे ले जाएंगे हम, कि जब उसका पिता घर में आता है तो प्रेम कब अच्छा लगता है, जब वो पैसे लेकर के आता है या कमा करके आता है, अपनी नौकरी से आता है। तो प्रेम और कैरियर एक दूसरे के दोनों पहलू है ये। ऐसे नहीं क्या उसके बिना वो चल जाएगा, उसका बिना वो चल जाएगा, नहीं। लेकिन समझने वाली बात यह है कि यदि हम प्रेम को केवल वहां तक देखें कि नहीं यार एक लड़की का एक लड़के के साथ प्रेम हो गया, यदि उसको उस वेज में देते हैं तो वो निश्चित रूप से उसकी अवधि मात्र 3 महीने की होती है।
अलग हो जाता है।
यस। यदि हम कैरियर की उसमें देखें तो कैरियर एक लंबी ग्रोथ होती है। यदि आपके साथ कैरियर चलता रहेगा बट और आगे बढ़ता रहेगा तो दो आपकी परिभाषा में वो प्रेम दूसरा हो जाएगा। यदि मैं मेरी भाषा में बात करूं तो मेरा जो प्रेम है वो किसके साथ है, कैरियर के साथ है। यदि मैं थोड़ा सा बचपन में आ जाता हूं तो प्रेम सब घर वालों के साथ है, मम्मी के साथ प्रेम है, डैडी के साथ प्रेम है, बच्चों के साथ प्रेम है। तो देखो प्रेम बिना ना तो कैरियर है, कैरियर बिना प्रेम नहीं है। यदि उसको हम उसमें लेते हैं तो दोनों कंक्लूजन है, क्योंकि बिना कैरियर के प्रेम नहीं हो सकता और बिना प्रेम के कैरियर नहीं हो सकता। क्यों कि माइंड की संतुष्टि कहाँ रहेगी, जब हमारे पास कैरियर भी होगा प्रेम भी होगा। यदि हम झूठा प्रेम करें तो कैरियर के साथ अन्याय कर रहे हैं, और झूठा कैरियर करें तो प्रेम के साथ अन्याय करें। तो दोनों एक दूसरे के पूरक है मेरी भाषा में। रही
So now guys, you have been able to know that without love there is no career, without career there is no love, right? So career also matters and love also matters nowadays. Everything matters, right? So it was a quite amazing, interesting, fascinating, captivating and quite amazing session. So wish you all the very best. See you in the next session. Okay.